Hey guys, it's Nate with Eterra Attachments, and we're out on the demo today. Today we're actually demoing our new 5-foot mini skid sickle. This is super an exciting attachment. For those of you who have done some hedge trimming, especially manual hedge trimming, this is going to be a lifesaver as well as a backsaver. So definitely something worth checking out. Right now we have this on our Bobcat mini skid. We have the adapter plate in between there. And then out on the front, you got your 5-foot sickle. So pretty much anything you got to do 2 inches and smaller, this is going to be your ideal attachment. If you got to go down into ditch banks, if you need to go into even lakes, rivers, you can, because the sickle can actually cut underwater. Another really nice thing about the sickle is it doesn't throw any debris. So we're not going to have branches flying down the street or anything like that. Instead, you're actually going to cut and drop directly where you're at, which makes it really safe in residential areas and really ideal for roadside mowing. Some of the other really cool features is the breakaway. That way, if you do run into anything heavy or hard, like a larger tree than you should, it's actually going to allow it to bleed off a little bit and not break or bend the bar, which is a really nice feature as well. If you guys have any questions, reach out to Eterra and we'll find you the nearest dealer and get you all squared away.